They love games.
This is the word detection package. Now, the package includes 4 different example scenes. So here we go with our first example of the Spectrum mic. Alright, so first when it comes up, this is just the example scene, includes a GUI where you first select the microphone, and then you have a couple different planes here. The first plane, this is a wave, and here you have the left and right Fourier transforms, the spectrum analysis for the left and right channel. Alright, so in the scene, you've got the example, and there's a custom inspector for each example. Here we can tweak the texture size, and it will just automatically plot to whatever texture size you're using. So we can make it super low res, or go for the retro style, or I like to look at it about 128 or 64. Even maybe I like it at 256, depending on what I'm doing. Okay, 128. Alright, now there's also this checkbox for normalize the graph. So without normalizing it, you can see what it looks like with the raw data. Or you can click normalize and it'll automatically adjust the graph to the min and max over the time period that you're capturing the microphone. Okay. The rest are just meta references so that it can change the planes and assign materials and whatnot for the textures. Okay, so the other option is in the Spectrum microphone, where it's got a custom inspector where you can change the amount of time that it's capturing, or you can change the resolution for the sample rate. Here we go. So the bit more your sample rate, the bigger your arrays are. I like an 8K one. So we're not playing back the recorded sound, so this is fine for spectrum analysis. You can also change the duration of the capture, so you can see it scroll by longer. Alright, so by default, the microphone will use the array and wrap around. And that's why we have our second example. In our second example, the array copy, basically this is shifting the array. So again, when you start it, just pick the microphone you want to record with. In each example, I tweak the Spectrum microphone to have a different sample rate. So in the Spectrum microphone, we have a sample rate of a 1K sample rate. We can change this up to 8K. And the difference in this example is rather than having the array wrap around, the point is that we're doing an array shift so that we can have the last microphone position at the end. And here again you see this texture is a wave, and you have the left and right channels for the spectrum analysis. Okay, so we did array copying, but since we're displaying it on a texture, now we've got the texture with the material. We've got a third example, which just uses, instead of copying the mic data, it just shifts the texture position. So again, I'll increase the sample rate. There we go. And I can increase the texture size. There we go. Alright. All the same stuff, but I was going to click on the textures here. So, alright, so in our wave, you see that our script is adjusting the offset to match the microphone position, and that lets it wrap around like this. Okay, now for the word detection. So example 4, word detection. Here's example 4, word detection, the main guts of the package. So here we'll select a microphone, and we'll add just a few words here. So the first one I'm adding is, I'm going to call it noise, and then we'll just use a bunch of different unique commands. So attack, run, jump, fire. Then we'll use cannon, grenade. Okay, so here's how it works. This is your wave information passing by, and we'll double check that we've got the right stuff. So I'd like a 8K sample rate over a second. The longer the capture time, the longer you have between commands. Unity, the minimum, it uses ints for the capture time. I would have preferred like 500 milliseconds or something. But so you've got it down to 1. Both these have to be base 2 for the Fourier analysis. Okay. Word detection. It's got a threshold and example. That's just the texture size. I could probably make it more detailed so we can see what's going on. There we go. And this is only for display. It doesn't affect your array size when you adjust the texture size. And then the spectrum microphone, yeah, 8K. Good. Okay, so the first thing, I just labeled a bunch of different words. When you talk to record your profile, just make sure that you don't say anything. If you have a little background noise, just... Okay, I had to click when I wasn't talking. That's our noise profile. Now, this is just an example. I can change these labels to be whatever, but valid just means that it has a profile. Not set means there's not a profile there. And then the count next to the this count is just a arbitrary difference, which I just use the lower the score, the closer the match. And then you can add more words or you can remove them. Okay. So I'm going to record each of the different words here. And you always want to speak it the same way. When I speak a word, make sure that the wave is clear, all except for the word you want to record. So here we go. I'm going to say attack, and then I'm going to set the profile. I'll do each one. Here we go. And you want to click right after you say the word. Attack. Run. Jump. Fire. Cannon. Grenade. Okay, so now that we've recorded, I can say the different words here. Attack. Okay, and what you're expecting is it'll highlight in red the closest match. Another one I like to add is like a confirm. Acknowledged. Acknowledged. Okay. Acknowledged. And you want to record the word exactly how you're going to say it. Acknowledged. Okay, so even though I have a little bit of background noise going, it should still be able to find the closest match. So here we go. Fire. Run. Okay, so sometimes you might not quite get a match because I said it different. Run. Jump. Fire. Cannon. Cannon. Okay. So I need to find out a way. This is kind of teaching yourself to say it the same way too. Do I say cannon or cannon or some unique way that I'm always going to say it? I'd probably always say cannon. I'm also talking, so that muddies up the sample. So here we go. Wait till it's clear and then I'll say the word. Cannon. Okay. In this case, I might want to update the profile because it might have not been a good sample. So I'm going to click the button again to reset the profile. Cannon. Cannon. Grenade. Acknowledged. 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 Cannon. Cannon. Grenade. Fire. Jump. Run. Run. Okay, try to remember how I said run. It's going to be like how you say it each time. So just nice talking the same way you did it before. Run. Okay, acknowledged. Grenade. Cannon. Cannon. Fire. Fire. Maybe I said fire. Fire. Jump. Jump. Run. Attack. 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 Okay. Just fix the attack profile here. Attack. Attack. Acknowledged. Attack. Cannon. Fire. Fire. Fire, fire, fire. Jump. 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 Okay. Again, you have to say it exactly like you said it when you recorded it. That's why we have this threshold. I could probably into word detection, and the higher the threshold, the less precise you have to be. But it's always going to match the closest, so. Attack. Run. Maybe I said, run. Run, 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 run. Oh my gosh. Run. Run. In game, I would probably always say, like, with haste. Say, run. Like gotta run really fast. Run. Run. Oh, you can also whisper, so. Run. Run. Attack. Attack. Run. Jump. Fire. 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 Cannon. 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 Grenade. Acknowledged. Run. Run. What did I say? Run. That's why we have labels. You can remind yourself how to say it. Whisper. Give you a little hint. Run. Attack. Run. Attack. Run. Attack. Run. Run. Attack. Run. Attack. Jump. Fire. Fire! Cannon. Grenade. Acknowledged. Alright, so when you integrate these, let's add like a no or cancel. So when it gets the word wrong, you could say these words and then instantly like really angry. No! Cancel! So if it gets your word wrong, you say like jump, and you're like no, or fire, but then it wasn't supposed to fire, and you say fire, cancel, fire, cancel, fire, cancel. The word detection package has an online demo, and thanks for checking out the word detection package.
They love games.